Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn word problems. See children, many of you what you will do, word problems you will not see question clearly. You will directly put the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this lakhs, and you will put the numbers 7, 5, 1, 3, 4 like that, like this. Okay, suppose I am having one number 6, 5, 1, 3, 2. You will directly add. Okay, you will directly add this. This is wrong. See, word problems means you have to read the question carefully first. What is your first step in word problems? You have to read the question carefully. That what is there in the questions, what they have given us, what they have given. वो लोग क्या दिए अपने को? Okay, that is our first step. In our next step, we have to identify. We have to find what we have to find. We have to check it. See. Okay, don't do like this directly. Don't write numbers directly and don't do addition directly. Word problems means I want statement in solution. If you are not writing solution, if you are not writing statements, I will not consider your problem. Okay, word problems means you have to write statement. That is a mandatory. Let's read the problem. I am going to solve one word problem. Similar to this problem, I am going to give you two questions. Solve it and submit it to me. Okay. What is my question? First, read the question carefully. If you are reading one time, you didn't got anything, read it once again. If you didn't got anything, then read it once again. Inshallah, after reading 2 to 3 times, you will get the idea what is there in the question and what you have to do. Okay, see, once read this question. There are, if you are unable to read these numbers, put the place values with pencil. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so I can able to read this number easily because I put the place values. This is 75 lakh 13,425. What they are saying, there are 75 lakh 13,425 are men. Okay, next one they put the comma, means here they are separating the two sentences, right? What is our next statement? They are saying, once again put the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, TH, 1000, TTH, 10,000, lakh, L, TL, 10 lakh. So this is 62 lakh 57,625 are women. Okay, 62 lakh 57,625 women. And they have given one more thing, put the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, TTH, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so this is 11 lakh 25,875 are children in a city. Where they are present? In a city. Then what they are saying, full stop is here. This means this statement is finished. Then what they are saying, what is the total population of the city? Total. See, I already told you, right? We learned this one. We are doing this addition problem or subtraction. You can easily know this. See, 2 plus 3. What do you call this one? Addends, right? Result of addition is sum. We already learned. Or we can say total. If they will give you in question what is the total, means you have to find all, right? So you have to do addition. If they are saying all the number of students are, if they will say like that also, you have to do addition only. So here what they are saying, what is the total population of the city? In that city, how many are, what they have given us? In that city, there are 75 lakhs, 13,425 are men, 62 lakh 57,625 are women, and 11 lakh 25,875 are children in a city. So we have to find total population, including how many, we have to add this, right? We have to add men, women, children. जब आप men, women, children total कितने हैं वो पूरे add करेंगे, you will get the answer. Suppose I'll give you one example. You are having 2 chocolates. Suppose one girl is having 2 chocolates and 3 chocolates are with your brother, boy. I'll give you one example. Elder sister we will take. Elder sister is having 2 chocolates. Younger means small brother is having 3 chocolates, and one more younger sister is having how many chocolates? 5 chocolates. their father or mother, they have given 2 chocolates to elder sister, 3 chocolates to younger brother, 5 chocolates to younger sister. So we have to find how many total chocolates these three are having. This elder sister के पास, brother, younger sister के पूरे मिला के कितने chocolates है find करना है. What you will do? Addition. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. So the total 10 chocolates are there, including this 3, right? So in this manner we have to solve the problem. And whenever you are doing word problems, kindly write the statements. I am requesting you to write the statements. Without statement, if you are writing the solution, I am not considering that. Remember this. So whenever you are going to see, you need not to make any sentences in your own words. You have to see the question directly and you have to put in the solution. There are, what they are saying, 75 lakh 13,425 men. So what I am writing here, there are means there are a number of men, right? So I am starting my solution. Number of men. See, man is a singular. Remember English words. Men is a plural. So number of men are I am taking. If man is there, I will take is. Okay. Number of men are. How many number of men are there? How many number of men are there? I am putting equal to. I am writing that value. See carefully what is there in the question. If you are writing 75, okay. Next, if you are writing 23, by seeing fast you wrote 23. That is wrong. What is there in the question? You have to write in the solution. Okay. 75 lakh. I am putting my finger and I am writing 75 lakh 13,000. Okay. Whenever you are adding, don't put the commas. 13,425. If you want, you can write the place values as well. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh. Okay. If you want to make a table also, you can make it here for your understanding purpose. Okay. But I want statement, children. Okay. Next, I wrote the first statement. I got it. Okay, there are these many men. Okay, I wrote number of men are this. Next, what is our next statement? They have given men. After men, what they have given? Women, right? So write here. Number of women are. Number of women are. How many women? 62 lakh. How many women? Sorry. 62 lakh 57,000. Write it in that box only. If you are writing like this, it is wrong. If you are writing like this, it is wrong. So better write in that column only. Take your own time, students. Don't be in hurry whenever you are doing specially maths problems. Okay. So 62 lakh 57,625. Those are women. Okay. Next, I completed 2 things. They have given men, they have given women. Then what is the next question? Next statement, next sentence. 11 lakh 25,875 are children. Right? So write here. Number of children are. Number of children are. Okay. 11 lakh 25,875. Okay. Number of men are. Number of women are. Number of children. I finished my problem. Yes or no? No. We have to do what here? Addition. We have to do addition. I am putting here which sign? Plus sign, because I am doing addition. Okay. before doing the addition, what we have to find? See that what is the total population of the city. So here what we have to write? The total population of the city are, we are putting equal to. Okay, we have to write in one line. If you are writing men are and women are, if you are writing upside, it is wrong. You have to write in one line. Okay, so that whenever we are reading number of men are this, okay, number of women are this, number of children are this, the total population of the city. Okay, and the total population of city equals to this. Let's start doing the addition. See, we have to start from our right hand side. That's good. See, what is our first number? 5. We are going to add, right? We are going to start from our right hand side. 5 plus 5. See, here we are having how many addends? How many? We will say numbers, right? Especially in maths, we will say addends. How many addends we are having? 3 addends. 1, 2, 3. 3 addends. So first add 2 addends. You can do in 2 different ways. You can add this 2, and after getting the answer, you can add this one also. That is also one way, and this is also other way. Okay, 5 plus 5. How much? Open your 5 fingers. Keep 5. Okay, keep 5 in your mind. Open your 5 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10. If you are unable to remember, write it small. Afterwards, erase it. 10 we got. If after adding this 2, we got 10. Then add 10 plus 5. To keep 10 in your mind, 5 on finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got 15. So shall I write 15 here? No, it's wrong. We have to write only one digit, and we have to send other 10's position value to the carry, right? We have to send carry. So 1 I am sending carry. Afterwards I am erasing this because I got the answer. Next, keep 1 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 1, 2, 3. We got 3. Write it here small. Keep 3 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 3, 4, 5. Okay, keep 5 in your mind, 7 on your fingers. Keep 5 in your mind, 7 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, right? So 2, I am sending 1 carry. Afterwards, we have to erase this. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, keep 5 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? 11. Next. I am writing 11 here. I am writing 11. Keep 11 in your mind, 8 on your finger. 8 I have taken in my finger and 11 in my mind. After 11, I am going to start counting. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I got 99. I am writing here, sending 1 carry. Okay, keep 1 in your mind, 3 on your finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here small. Erase this 11. We done with this. Okay, we have done with that. So that's why I erased it. 4, don't erase the carries. Okay, keep 4 in your mind, 7 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11. Write it here small, 11. After, keep 11 in your mind, 5 on your finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 6, and 1 I am sending carry. 6 I am writing down, 1 I am sending carry. Keep 1 in your mind, 1 on your finger. After 1, 2. 2 plus, keep 2 in your mind, 5 on finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep 7 in your mind. Till here we got 7, right? Keep 7 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 7, 8, 9. Keep, next, keep 5 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 5, 6, 7. Keep 7 in your mind, 1 on finger. After 7, 8. Next, keep 7 in your mind, 6 on my finger. I am keeping 7 in my mind, 6 on my finger because next addend is 6. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in my mind, 1 on my finger. After 13, 14. Good. Shall I write 4 here on 1 carry? No, we are not having any other number. So that's why I write 14 here itself. Okay. So what is our answer? Write it here. Therefore, you can write this therefore symbol, or you can write THERE therefore. FOI, that one also. Therefore, what is there in the question? What is the? So we have what is the, they are saying, right? Therefore, the total population of the city is, what is the value we got? 14. Acha, first write that number, okay? Don't get confused, read that. First write it. I am writing. Then I am putting commas. 1 crore 40. If you are unable to read this, write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. So 1 crore 48 lakh 96,925 is the total population of the city. Okay. Hope you all understood this one. I am going to give you 2 questions. I am reading just like that. Listen carefully. The total the population of the town A is, and that of town B. See, if I'll give you population, suppose in your worksheet I am giving like this, population of town A. It's same population of, don't write like this, write it completely, okay? Population of town B. Write it in, make a table and write the values and write total population of town A and B. So we have to do addition. We are doing addition, right? Total population of town A and town B. Total population of the 2 towns also you can write. Next question, what I am giving? Rajesh earned 52 lakh 32,000 last year. Okay, so you can write Rajesh earned last year Rajesh earned this much amount. Next, now in this year Rajesh earned, or he earned 50 lakh 12,320. Then what is his total earning for both the year? Therefore the total earning for both the, therefore his total earnings for both the years is this much. Okay, I hope you all understood this one. And whenever, once again I am reminding you, whenever you are doing one, whenever you are solving word problems, you have to write statement. If you are writing only this, I am not considering that solution, because it is a word problem, so you have to write statements what is there in the question. Hope you all understood this one. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.